In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from Google Sheets to Attio. By the end, you'll have a clean, accurate list of people added to your workspace. First, get your Google Sheet ready. Make sure the very first row contains clear column headers like first name, last name, email, phone, company, and job title. Keep one person per row, avoid merge cells, and use consistent formatting, especially for emails and phone numbers. A tidy sheet now prevents headaches later. With your sheet prepared, open the File menu in Google Sheets. From there, choose Download. You'll see several formats, but select comma-separated values, or CSV. A CSV is a plain text file that strips out styling and focuses only on the data, which makes it ideal for importing into tools like Attio. Note that only the active sheet is downloaded, so make sure you're on the correct tab. Next, log into your Attio account. Head to your records and open People. In this example, our sheet contains new leads, so People is the right place. The same process applies if you're importing into other record types like companies. Inside People, choose Import CSV. This opens Attio's importer, which helps you bring in data in bulk while keeping control over where each piece of information goes. Click Choose a CSV file and select the file you just downloaded from Google Sheets. Once it's uploaded, click Next to proceed. You'll now match your attributes. This step maps each column from your CSV to the correct field in Attio. Carefully pair first name to first name, last name to last name, email to email, and so on. Take a moment to verify that every column is going to the right destination. Good mapping ensures your records are complete and avoids messy data later. When you're satisfied, click Continue. You'll see a checkbox acknowledging that the import may create duplicates. Tick the box to confirm you understand. Duplicates can happen if, for example, the same email appears twice, so it's best practice to keep unique identifiers like email accurate in your sheet. Click Continue Import to lock in your choices. Then click Continue to advance to the final confirmation. When you're ready, click Start Import. Attio will begin processing your file. You may be asked to click Start Import again to confirm. Go ahead and do that to launch the job. That's it. You prepared your sheet, exported it as a CSV, uploaded it to Attio, matched the fields, confirmed the warnings, and started the import. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.